What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to Investing with Paco. Today we'll be going over the jobs report data, going over the numbers. As we know, today it got released in the morning, and just in case you missed it or you want to know more about it, I'll go ahead and give you an update on those numbers and if this is a bullish or bearish sign for the cryptocurrency market, since we are investing in the crypto market. Also, be doing another brief update on the Evergrow coin. We're going over the price chart so I can show you guys that my support lines and resistance lines are playing exactly how I have drawn out since I first started covering Evergrow coin. So all this and more in this video. But before we get this video started, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the like button. I upload videos just like this every single day involving the cryptocurrency market. So if you enjoy learning about new cryptos and at the same time making money, subscribe to the channel and join the family. And with that being said, let's get this video started. So like we always do in all my videos, starting off, let's see what's going on the coin market cap. Global crypto market cap is almost at a 2 trillion, currently down about 4%. Bitcoin hasn't really changed since today. It still says 3% down, but it's around 40. It's trying to break 42,000, currently at 41.9. So it's starting to move up a little bit. Ethereum down 6%. Ethereum hasn't been able to recoup any movement towards the upside. Currently trading at 3,200. Binance coin above 450, but it's still down 5%. Solana down almost 8%, down to $140. Cardano down another 4.6%, down to $1.23. XRP down another 2%. Terra down, wow, almost 11%, and for the week 16%. So if you're in Terra Luna, maybe it's a buying opportunity, but obviously I'm not telling you to buy or anything since I'm not a financial advisor. But Polkadot down another 5.6%, Avalanche down 7.5%, and Dogecoin down 3.73%, and Shiba Inu down 5.5%. So as we've been seeing, nothing has really changed since yesterday that I covered the coin market cap. There are a couple gainers. For example, Chainlink is up today about 5.3%, currently almost up 40% for the past week. So there are a couple coins here and there that are doing pretty good. Here's another one up 34% the past week, which is Cosmos. So you do get here and there a couple coins that are doing pretty good, but for the most part, most of these altcoins are all down, and for a reason. There's always a reason. And right now, I want to go ahead and show you the jobs number, since we know today the jobs report got released. Technically, this isn't the official article. I don't want to pull it up because it's literally a whole bunch of words. I just want to go ahead and read this article. Since I already saw the actual article, this is like a brief explanation and my thoughts about it. So this is from Market Watch. It says U.S. gains 199,000 jobs December as a business confront labor shortage and Omicron. So there's 199,000 new jobs, but the bad thing about that was that they were expecting over 400,000. So it is a huge miss, but let's go more in this. Just to see what the article says, and then I'll give you my thoughts. Says the U.S. created a lackluster 199,000 new jobs in December, signaling the president's labor shortages and a major coronavirus outbreak are holding back the economy. The increased employment was well below Wall Street's expectations. Polled by the Wall Street Journal had forecast 422,000 new jobs. So, like I said, it's a huge miss. Currently a little under 200,000, but they were expecting over 400,000. Says the U.S. jobless rate, meanwhile, slipped 3.9% from 4.2 and drifted to a new pandemic low. The rate stood at 3.5 right before the pandemic. So unemployment has gone down, which is a good sign. Then let's keep on going. Says wages rose 4.7% in 2021. The last time wages rose that rapidly was several decades ago. So as we've been seeing, wages have been going up. Why wages has been going up? As we know, a lot of people have been quitting their jobs. As we know, there's been plenty of jobs out there, a lot of places out there that are willing to hire lots of people. So people are right now kind of quitting their jobs because they're pretty confident that they could pick up a new job in no time. And since it's super competitive right now, wages are starting to go up even more. And then right here, the December jobs report. This is a key thing that I want to really show you guys. Is this little sentence right here? It says the December jobs report is unlikely to sway the Fed from altering plans to remove stimulus from the economy in the next several months. The U.S. has plenty of demand of labor, goods, and services. So what does this mean? As we know, today it was a miss. It came in 199,000. In a way, people thought that getting a miss on the jobs report data would signal the Fed to slow down on the tapering, slowing down on this, the process of tapering and buying back bonds and all that. But what was crazy about it, it kind of rallied a little bit at like market open, but after going through the article even more in the jobs report, there is no reason that the Fed is going to sway their opinion of slowing down the taper. So that's why right now the market is super uncertain. They're fearing right now. They're still in that stage where it's like, we know we're going to get tax increases, hikes this year. I think it's 2, 3 coming this year coming up. So there's lots of uncertainty since the Fed will start reducing stimulus. We know there's going to be less money back in the market and also less buying of the bonds, which in turn will affect the market. So there's lots and lots of fears. So that's why we probably saw a little, not probably little, but a pretty big pullback today after the jobs report data. Even though the miss would technically signal, it was like, oh, okay, maybe the Fed will slow down on the tapering. But no, it didn't actually change their mind since unemployment is going down and wages are going up. They aren't expecting to sway their opinion on stopping the taper. So that's that. That's news on the jobs report. Now let's jump on to PoolCoin, that app. That way we can show you a price update on Evergrow coin. So if you've been following my channel, following all my videos, tracking Evergrow coin, you know that I've had these lines drawn here a very long time ago. Ever since I started covering Evergrow coin on the TA side. Well, look how crazy this is. We had this massive rally, as we know. We pulled back and we pulled back to the support line, which I said looks to be super important and it looks to be like super heavily supported. Look what happened. We ended up rallying up here since they did implement the buyback and burn right here. Obviously, more people took advantage of this price increase and sold off their bags to profit or to get out of the project. But look at this. The support line is actually playing a key factor in this play currently, because why? Look at this. It bounced off this support line of 1193. Currently we're trading right at 1223. And what did I say my like 1 or 2 videos ago? As long as we're trading sideways in this channel for a little bit, at least until Creator gets released to the public, we should be setting up nicely for a massive run after that. Why am I saying this? Well, I've seen plenty of cryptos, lots of other cryptos out there that I swing trade, do more TA on on the side. They end up trading in the channel, which Evergrow coin is currently trading in right now, right? It gets to a point here where there'll be a wedge or a descending triangle where traders will see that and hop on board to try that, to get that more volume in the crypto and get that price to explode out of the wedge. So this is what I'm probably going to see on Evergrow coin in the future, and it's super important that Evergrow coin stays in this channel. It's actually pretty awesome that it's still above the support line. It perfectly bounced off of out of the support that I have drawn here of 1193. It's just crazy to see that actually TA is working really well on Evergrow coin. Always remember that TA isn't always everything to a crypto. You can have the best TA, you can have the best indicators, you can have the best knowledge in technical analysis, but if something ends up going bad in the project, there's fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It doesn't matter what TA is going to do, it's going to either go up or going to go down. Just TA is there to kind of give you an idea of when to buy in or to kind of predict what's going to happen in the future. And right now, I am predicting that we'll be starting to trade sideways for a while between 14.95 and above 11.93 until, as we know, Crater will be getting released to the public. As we know, I think today they're releasing, they're not releasing, but they're adding a couple more beta testers for the Crater. So there's gonna be more people trying out that beta of Crater. Once it's all fully polished and no bugs, they will release it to the public. And hopefully by then, we'll either be in the wedge, we'll be in the descending triangle, where eventually all these traders, all these swing traders, day traders, and long-term holders will see that and take advantage to buy it in for a huge price explosion to the upside, which in turn will create FOMO. As we know, there will always be FOMO once there are massive green candles. So just be ready for that. And yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe down here. Go watch that video coming up next. And also comment down below if you're ready for Creator, just like I am. And we'll see you all next time. Peace.